Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make the Alma blouse. This is a very easy design and you're going to see that this lovely style is really simple to make. Let's start. You will need your fabrics, some bias tape, sewing supplies, and the patterns for this style that you can download from our website. Place the front piece with the wrong side facing upwards. Let's gather these two areas marked by notches. To create the gathers, increase your stitch size, pull out some of your thread, and give a loose stitch. Using these extended threads on both ends, create gathers. Pin the shoulder pieces to the body piece with the right sides facing each other. Because of the shape of these two pieces, your seam allowance will look somewhat like this, with one side sticking out. But once you stitch it, it's going to look fine. Overlock the seams. And now let's iron these seams. Now place the back and the front bodice pieces together, right sides facing each other. Attach the shoulders. Overlock the shoulder seams. Let's finish the neckline with the bias binding. Fold it as shown and place it onto the shoulder seam with the right sides of the blouse facing upwards. As you approach the front tip, fold the tape into a V shape as shown and continue sewing all the way around. Give a notch at the front. Fold the tape over and iron it flat. Stitch it down in place. Now let's move on to the sleeve openings. Double fold as shown and stitch them down. Match the side seams with the right sides of the blouse facing each other. Stitch these seams. Overlock the seams. So now, just to hold that seam in place, I'm going to give a little tack just under the armhole like this. Let's double fold and stitch the hemline. Our blouse is ready. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.